Hello, viewers, learners. We are going to play the fourth janta versa. Previously, we saw it was sasari, sasari, sari, 3 plus 3 plus 2. Now it's going to be 5 plus 3. Sasari, ringa, sariga,